Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix two-factor authentication issues on Discord on iPhone. First of all, check your authenticator app or SMS number. Make sure your app is synced to the phone number that is correct for receiving codes. Next, resend the 2FA code. To tap resend code in Discord app to get a fresh verification code. Next, check network and signal. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi and mobile connection. Poor signal can block code delivery. Privacy tip: never share your two-factor authentication codes. They are key to your account security. Quick fix: if codes still don't work, use your backup codes if you saved them during step up. Now, remove and re-add your authenticator app if possible, and contact Discord support for account recovery if 2FA locks you out. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast Discord.